Last week was a really great week, had some good price action really throughout the week. So this week I want to kind of go through the weekly outlook, or gonna be the daily perspective going into the week. This week is also FOMC, so bear that in mind. Now, when I'm looking at this daily chart on NQ, I'm looking at the most obvious or most recent swing high and swing low. This leg here represents the most recent swing high and swing low. So from here to here, I have my premium and discount levels. I could have gone back to this swing high, but this swing high seems this is the one that I choose for premium and discount levels, mainly because I can see that we actually delivered from this daily SIBI here and created that swing high there. So that one, and then we had a very energetic move or displacement to the downside. That was a market structure shift from the daily perspective. So I'm using that swing high to this swing low to get premium and discount. Now, what we also can see is that so currently we came into a weekly order block as of I want to say late August, the last week in August, going into the first week in September. We came into this weekly order block, pierced through it, got to the mean threshold of that, and created a daily swing high, and we delivered from a premium level. And so we've been pretty bearish. Now, we did last week, from a daily perspective, we were pretty much consolidating in between these levels here, from this high to this low. But on Friday, we actually got a strong displacement to the downside and closed out the week pretty bearish. And so now my thought process of creating my narrative going into the new week, it being Sunday, the markets are not open. I'm looking forward to, or I'm looking for to see prices drive lower, right? I'm not trying to predict if, okay, we came into a discount. We also have this daily or 4-hour BISI or whatnot, or this fair value gap. I'm not looking for it to reverse from there. I'm not trying to predict a reversal. I'm just looking at what current order flow is and where most likely it's the next draw on liquidity. So as of right now, the most likely draw on liquidity will be to be lower. And so like now I'm looking for some fair value gaps, order blocks, to drive lower. But from a daily perspective, I just want to see how Monday opens up. I would like to see us gap down and continue lower. That will give us a little bit better perspective of how the week is going to play out. Mind you, it is FOMC, so we'll tread lightly leading up to that. But I definitely see September being a really great month statistically for myself, at least. And so right now, I will say that I'm bearish if I had to give a bias, gun to head. And I just would like to see prices deliver lower, and then we can come down to the intraday charts when the market opens. But if I was looking at this from an hourly perspective or an intraday perspective, I do see that, let me delete these actually. So order flow is extremely bearish. I would just look for areas of sell side liquidity. I wouldn't be surprised if we open and go higher, manipulate higher, create that manipulation to the upside earlier in the week, and then we can see prices drive lower towards the end of the week heading into FOMC. So